Stop struggling with that annoying not secure warning on your Synology NAS. Hey everyone, I'm Anna from For Real, and today I'm going to show you how to fix the Synology NAS not secure error for good. It's a simple setting that will make your connection secure every single time. Let's get it sorted in the next 4 minutes. So, what does that not secure warning actually mean? When you see it, your browser is telling you that your connection to the NAS is using HTTP, which sends all your data, including your password, as plain text across your network. Think of it like sending a postcard. Anyone who intercepts it can read it. What we want is HTTPS, which stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure. This wraps your data in a layer of encryption, like putting that postcard inside a sealed, tamper-proof envelope. Even if someone intercepts it, they can't read what's inside. This is essential for protecting your login credentials and securing your Synology NAS. Okay, first log into your Synology Disk Station Manager. Once you're on the main desktop, find the Control Panel icon. It's the central hub for all of your NAS settings, from users to network configurations. Go ahead and double-click to open it. Inside the Control Panel, you'll see a lot of options. Don't get overwhelmed. We're looking for an option called Login Portal. On newer versions of DSM, it's usually under the System section. This is where you control how users access the DSM login page itself. Click on Login Portal. Quick pause. If you're finding this helpful so far, do me a huge favor and click the like button below. It tells YouTube that this is a good tutorial and helps other Synology users find it. Thanks. Okay, back to the settings. Now we're in the Login Portal settings. Make sure you're on the main DSM tab at the top. Look for a section called Web Services. Inside, you'll see the magic checkbox. Automatically redirect HTTP connection to HTTPS for DSM desktop. This one setting is the entire fix. By checking this, you're creating a rule on your NAS. From now on, anytime a device on your network tries to connect using the insecure HTTP address, the NAS will immediately say, "Nope, let's use the secure one instead," and automatically forward it to the HTTPS address. Click the checkbox and then, very importantly, click the Save button at the bottom right. And that's it. The rule is now active. Let's test it to be sure. Open a new browser tab and type in your NAS address starting with only http://. For example, http 192.168.1.100:5000. Now watch the address bar closely when you press enter. See that? It instantly changed to https:// and the padlock icon appeared. You've now successfully set up your DSM HTTPS setup. Your connection is now secure by default. And there you have it. In just a few simple clicks, you've massively improved your Disk Station Manager security. No more worrying about that not secure warning or sending your password in plain text. You now know exactly how to force a secure Synology HTTPS redirect for all your connections. If you found this tutorial useful and want more tips to get the most out of your tech, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We cover everything from NAS setups to smart home automation. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you today. And let me know in the comments, what other Synology task do you find tricky? I might cover it in a future video. Thanks for watching. This is Anna from For Real, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.